Hey, what's up everybody? Today, I'm going to show you how you can get free stuff on Temu. So let's first open up our Temu account on our mobile device. Take note though, if you want to get some free stuff, it's better to use the mobile application because there are spins available. Spins that gets you from up to 10,000 discounts for 1,000 to 10,000 discounts, which are very helpful by the way. These are coupon discounts. And at the same time, you can get more free stuff if you check out items from the same seller. So that's how you can get some free stuff on Temu by first going in the mobile app and doing the spin game. Second is by ordering the same items from the same seller because sometimes sellers offer promotions. For example, if you get 3 items, you get 1 item for free. Right now, we are just trying to add to cart some items. For example, this mat rug right here. And we'll add that to cart. And yeah, as you can see here, there are also some end of the year gifts. You may want to check that out because there are also some free stuffs there. And at the same time, there are big discounts that you can avail from there. At the same time, if you really want to see some offers that the seller has, you can go to coupons and offers on the main menu. And then you can go and click sellers exclusive, which sometimes sellers includes specific discounts or promotions for specific items that they sell. You may also enter the code that I have just entered so you can get a 30% off voucher for your next purchase. And that's it for today's video. We hope this was able to help you out. If it did, please do hit the like, share, and of course the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Only here on Telco Guy.